Any doubt? See?
One minute.
Is it clear?
Cleared, sir.
Substitute this. What is theta? Two by 9, no? $36 by 9, no? $16 by 9. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. There is theta tan inverse 0.56.
Wait. What is time period? Time for one oscillation. We took frequency. This is actually frequency. Number of oscillations per second is frequency. Okay. This is 3 by 2. This is 2. Agreed? So this is 9 by 16 you'll get. Am I right? You're following on it? See, number of oscillations in 1 second is frequency. Time period is understood this? Any doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Cleared, sir.
Sir, 1 minute. Completed.
Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
See, what is there in the doubt you are sending? There is a magnet here. So this is M. There are two fields he has given. This is one field, B2, this is B1. This is 60 degrees he gave. Angle between the fields, no? Agreed?
Yes, yes, sir.
So he gave that it comes to rest with one field. What is that field he gave? 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Now you can see this is m now. This is B2 now. This is 15 degrees, he says. So what will be this? 45 degrees now.
45 degrees, yes, sir.
Now you can see this torque and this torque. This must be equal for equilibrium, no?
Yes, sir.
Already you got B2. This is sine 45 minus 30. You can use sine 45 minus 30, or if you, it is a standard value, people know. Okay, understood the concept now. Substitute that, you'll get B1. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
See, these simple questions if you are doing in the final mains, unnecessarily are getting marks, man. Follow this?
Follow.
Correct on this?
Yes, sir.
You're able to see this?
Yes, sir.
See them, how people are minting money. NEET repeaters program, NEET exam only not yet completed. Okay. If not, if you not get seat, that fellow doesn't English also. If you not get seat, if you don't get seat is for 90% of fee returned. Kalvakurthi it seems something, Bala Education Center. He wrote small letters here. Fee is 5 lakhs it seems. If you not get admission, 4.5 lakh can be returned. No more hidden things it seems. That means I can take the student for 5 lakhs. Understood this?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
5 lakh, he has to pay 5 lakhs. Assuming that this 5 lakhs is paid. If you take at least bank interest, they are giving 7%, they are giving. 7% means for 107,000, how much it will be? 70. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
70 into 100. That means 7,000, no? Am I right? 7% interest per lakh into 5. How much I am getting? 35,000 interest. I am getting interest at 35,000. Assuming bank, if you go to private government bank, if you keep 9 access HDFC, they are paying around 9%. That means if you take 9%, 9,000 into 5 is how much? 45,000. And fellow is giving 4.5. So that means how much is taking the fee for nothing? This is business. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
foolish parents believe that what they see is this guarantee word they'll see. This is the weakness of human beings. Without working, we want to get something. That is what people are encashing. Even your attitude I'm seeing now. See, people go for prayers. That is one most sacred act. You go there and you won't return. It's horrible now. You are to whom God will think that this fellow came out to pray and is escaping classes, then what he will feel about you? Is the attitude. Why I am showing all this is You are the people, society should be educated first. Okay? See, I don't think that with you, I'll be arguing with everybody where who is wrong. I'll show one thing. See, some person posted one thing. Minor victory, Malia in London, all that, one big one. Immediately I responded. The London cause had not mentioned Manmohan Singh Chidambaram who ordered loans to Malia. Click on the above link for more details. That means this is somewhere in get Facebook, YouTube, they'll get it. That can be done. This is the judgment given by London court. I have the copy of that. No, why I am saying is, I don't get anything as if you should educate people. Why should I call Kaj Azima and tell him, man, people did not return, I have no other work. Because his responsibility is to check that. When he is not checking, I have to warn him. Seed guarantee program, so all that, people will believe. My advice to anybody is, you are not qualified through an entrance exam. That means you are not fit for doing that course. Don't try to look for means by some means to enter that course. Unnecessarily will get spoiled. Like movie tickets, now it is okay. Earlier there is tickets used to be sold in black when online is not there. Over the counter 100 tickets, beside the counter 200 tickets they will sell. So you are taking on wrong route. These exams are meant to understand the language of engineering in higher class. And some idiots will be there. BPC people doesn't need physics, it seems. Because that fellow doesn't know physics, they'll tell that on them. Another fellow will say, this is not, everything is required. There's nothing that you don't require. Everything is required. Followed. So why I am saying all this is a trapping of people. Anything comes free. You have seen Amazon offer, Dhamaka. They'll be posting, no, I think in the month of November. All that goods they have to dispose immediately. Amazon will not be at loss, you know that? The in between the distributor will be there, no, they'll reduce their commission because Amazon passes the goods from the original factory to the end product. In between, many people will be there. Imagine every person reduces instead of 10% profit if he takes 2%. 10% profit on suppose one good is sold, man. 100 rupees is the product. 10% profit means he is getting 10 rupees. Now you will reduce 2%. He is getting only 8 rupees, but number of products sold is 10. That means he is getting 80 rupees better than before.
Yes, sir.
So this is the finance. People should know all this. They don't know, like mad people, they will only think, free, I can do anything. I don't know. Nothing comes in life free, man. Please understand. Clear? Even death is not free. You know that?
Yes, sir.
For death, from birth to death, you have to struggle a lot. You know that? Not such an easy thing. All cannot die. You know that? It's very difficult. The greatest thing is to have a peaceful death. Thus, the day all the nonsense you have done will come out. You can't move, you become old, nobody bothers you, everywhere pain, hungriness will be there, tongue craving will be there, you shouldn't eat. Because if you eat, your digestion system won't cooperate. So, see the hell, not 1 day, 2 days. Lifelong till death comes. Why I am saying all this is, lead a peaceful and genuine life, then you'll have a nice life, nice ending to your life, not struggling. You know Steve Jobs, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Heard you have seen his last struggle with cancer, pancreatic cancer.
No, sir.
Yes, he died with the age of 56 years. The simple reason is he married illegally, got children with some people. He did not accept that. Those children went to court. It was proved that he is the father. Even then, he did not accept. All this nonsense people do, no overlap. Right. Anyway, why I'm saying is I'm trying to educate you, be genuine and don't get trapped. What is that free C2? You're also given 1 crore scholarship now. Your scholarship is 1 crore SL40, you know that? You got
Yes,
the
sir.
letter. Your letter will come to you, know, selected that is. I come back to this. Neutral point. What is neutral point, man?
There will be no magnetic field.
As long as parents doesn't know the secret, children doesn't know, this education business goes like this only. Understood this? Now, let us see some cases. Now, college will be open from September 1st. September ending, college will be closed. Third wave will come. Whenever KCR wants, third wave will come. They'll collect all the fee from the students. Finished. After that, they say Corona is there. What will it? In private management also, Chaitanya Narayana, they save a lot because they pay for 1 month. After that, again, no classes. Business is, I don't know why this physical classes so far I don't understand. In spite of WHO warnings also, last year they opened the college, no, January.
In September only, sir.
No, last year also September. Right?
Yes.
No, last year
No,
September.
in Feb also they opened.
No, I don't know, but in Feb they opened. After 2 weeks they closed again. Something there's a Corona. Okay, see this is east, west, north, south, no. What I said, North Pole to this is geographic north. Now let us draw the briefly draw a line of force, man, for this magnet. Draw one line of force like this. Do you agree with this? Now this is BH, no? So this is BH. Everywhere BH will be there, no? Now can you tell at which points BH and field to the magnet are opposing? You can see that these points are there now on the equatorial line.
Yes, sir.
At this point, you can see there are two fields opposing each other. No? Am I right? Agree or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So if do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So B equal to how much, man? Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For short magnet,
Yes, sir.
that means this is at X I'm saying. Understood how to find neutral points?
Yes,
Check
sir.
what are the fields available. Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Completed, sir.
After this, 3 minutes is there now. 1 second, you can go. Wait.
Yes.
Same thing, do east to west to north to south. Now we'll take a magnet. North pole is pointing towards. Agreed? After that,
Geography.
just to draw lines like this. Again, it comes like this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, just BH you draw. Every BH is present everywhere, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
BH is always from where to where? South to north, no?
South to north.
Now you can see at which point there is opposition, man. At which point there is opposition. You can see that there are two neutral points on the axial line. Because here you have BH opposing B. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see here. Is it clear? What is B axial, man? Forgot?
No, sir.
No, sir. Not those two. Sir, whole power 3 by 2 ना sir. X minus L square whole power 3 by 2.
No, no, that is for previous one, no? 3/2 is for equatorial, I think, no? Here.
Yes, sir. Sure.
This is equatorial. Agreed?
Yes,
Sir.
Have you followed this or not?
Followed, sir.
Right, then go to your prayer. See, tomorrow I'll put the message. By 1 o'clock only, I'll keep the message. Whether class is there or not, okay?
Okay, sir.
By
Okay,
chance,
sir.
if I can't take Sunday, guarantee I have to take, okay? Right then, take it. Bye. Complete this and go.
Okay.
Sir, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.